So hey guys, this is Franklin. So in this video I'm going to talk about scale and array tools. In scale we have multiple options here, but we will use the first three options the most of the time. So I already imported a sofa and a chair here. Just unhide the sofa for scale. Okay, so here we have a sofa. Draw a reference line. So this sofa distance is approximately 2.2 meters. Okay, so just draw a line for 2.5 meters or 3 meters. Okay, so actually this is not in a proper scale. It's not 2.2 meters, it's 22 meters almost. So draw a reference line. Just click here. I just want to create around 1.5 meters. Okay, which is 1.5 meters. Enter. So this is the actual size, which is 150 centimeters. So I want to scale the sofa to this size. So I'm gonna move this approximately to near the sofa here. Now just type scale, select the object. Now choose the base point, and here will be my first reference point, and the second reference point is the end of the reference line. So now we get the proper size of sofa. Actually, to be honest, we don't need to use all these reference points and lines, etc. Just again, I'm gonna show it again. Just go back, Control Z. Just select the object and type scale. Give the first base point and click here, and just type the value of 150 centimeters. Now you can see here it's automatically reduced the scale to 150 centimeters, which is 1.5 meters. This is how we use scale. And let's see the other two options. Normal scale is scale 3D, which is the object will be scaled in all three directions. But in scale 2D, just select this, select the object, enter. The scale 2D will scale only two directions. Let me show you. Just choose the base point and the first reference point. You can see here it scales only x and y direction, not in this z direction. Same as this, you can use scale 1D also. 1D will scale only one direction. Let me just select the object, enter, and here you can see it. It's only scaling on a single direction. This is the most useful options, scale 1D and 2D. We will use most of the times. So I think that's it for scale. Let's see about array. I'm gonna hide this sofa again and unhide this chair. Chair is also in a wrong scale. Let me correct that. Just select the object, scale, and give it to 60 centimeters. Okay, now we have a chair with a proper scale. And array also has some of multiple options here, but mostly we will use this array curve and linear and polar. Let's see about that. Let's choose the first array and select the object, enter. Here you can see it will ask a number of items which you want to create in x direction. Let's say 10, enter. And in the y direction, just 3 enter, and z direction I don't want to create it, so I'm just gonna type 1 enter. And now you can see it's asking spacing between two objects, just click here, and you can see here you can manually put it like this, or else you can give a proper dimensions, just like I'm gonna give it to 50 or 150. Now the space between two objects is 150, enter. And you can see here now it's asking the width. Here also we have to give some value, enter. This is the preview. This is how we are going to get. So if you want to change anything, you can change it here. If you want to change the x number, just type here and change it like this way. And you can also change the spacing also if you want to. And after that, just press enter. Now you can see we get the array objects. Just go back. And if you want to make an array in a single direction, let's say I just want to make an array on only the y axis. In that case, what you have to do is just type array, select object, just make sure the numbers is 1 in the other directions like x and z. Just type 1, enter. And y direction I have to make the count, give the count which I want to give, just type 12, enter. And z direction just type 1 also, and just then give the spacing. Now you can see it's only creating in a single direction, single axis. Okay, and then we have array curve. Let's create a curve first. Okay, this is the curve. So by using array curve, we can array an object through the curve. Let me show you. Just type array curve, select the object. Before that, just move the object approximately near the curve, and I'm gonna just rotate it like this. Now just type again array curve, select the object, enter. Now you have to give the path curve. Just select the path curve. Here we have two options. One is items and another one is distance. In items you can specify the counts. Let me just say 20, enter. And the distance will change accordingly. And also you can specify a distance here. Just say 120. In this case, the items will change accordingly. This is the array command which I use always. Okay, let's see the other two options also, which is array linear and polar. Okay. Array linear. This will make an array on a linear path, which is a straight path. Just select the object and you can give the number of items here. Just say 15, enter. And you can see here it will make an array on a straight path, but you can do it in any directions. And finally we have this array polar. This will make an array in a circular path. Let me show you. Just click the array polar. Before that, I'm gonna move this here. Now type array polar and place a center point. If you want to make a proper complete circular array, what you have to do is just type array polar, select the object and give the center point, and number of items you can give it here, enter, and select the first reference point, and the second reference point you have to type 360, enter, and again enter. Now you can see here it's creating a complete circular path. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you on the another video.